Hello. Today, while I was experimenting with a lot of tools, I got a very interesting wife-coded AI tools that exactly can help you generate these quality profile photos, social media photo, and ad creative such like this. And you can start freelancing from the day one itself by using this exact tool, which can give you a specific position in the industry so far. And also, you can start making money as a freelancer. Start your wife freelancing from this wife coded tool itself. So, by using this AI tool plus the social media outreach system, you can exactly monetize it by using LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. All these social media platforms are there with a crowded leads. But if you don't have those leads, find it out who these people are, connecting with every single dot of your content that you are creating and connect with them, and you can use this. Now, if you have a personal brand, or if you are getting started with your profile, you might be able to make 5,000 to 10,000 bucks. But if you have a personal brand, you can come across to 40,000 to 50,000 as well. And without any further ado, so let's start it. Hi, Nishith this side. I built Positioning Club to help this youth skip this 5 years of trial and error I went through. And we help you stay active and learn the latest AI trends, and we monetize it together. If you want more such, update and instant detail or any details about me, just go Google up www.nirajnishitdas.in or simply search on Niraj Nishitdas. You'll get my this website. Will or else you can check the descriptions. So what you will get in this positioning club? First, if you pay for 999, you will get a lifetime access for the WhatsApp group where I always used to update every single thing on the very first. It may be my YouTube tutorial videos, any ideas, any deals, any SOPs, any scripts, any cheat sheet, or any training, right? So I don't think anyone in this industry might be giving this opportunity for the lifetime purpose for in a group. So if you are someone who want this group to be there or this club to be there, just check the description and join now. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. So are you ready? The tool link is easyimagecreator.com. The link of this tool will be also given there in the description box, or you can check the first pin comment itself, right? uh so now let me tell you one more information that if you get out of the free credits, you have two options. Either you have to buy this plans, or you have to get some coins by affiliate links asking peoples, right? uh Without any further ado, let's get started to the entire screen. So once you get to the link, you will see this landing page over here. So where they have mentioned get all your social media images done in one exact place, right? And you have to just get sign into this, right? By clicking to this and sign up, and you have to fill this information. So once you're done, you will get a chance of 12 images with 300 free credits, right? So I just want to get trial with Ad Creative again because I love this part. Also, you can test trial and positioning club.com. I don't have a logo. I don't like it. Oops, sorry. What's they want? Image text. Okay, let's go to my own website. And I am very lazy. Cool. I will just copy from my because like with that email, and my color palette though it's fine. And I want not a wide screen, but I would love to see that at creative in vertical, though I can use this. I want premium, bold CTA and trust builder, and that should create some urgency, or else no patient would take care of their health as well. And that should be clean and modern and dynamic. So it will take 100 credits, of course. Okay, just check. I have I have been wait. Let's wait. It started walking. Mm-hmm. Actually, I have a very poor internet connection, to be very honest. So, and this is why it's taking a bit slow. And of course, it, it exactly loads with a very faster results. Almost we are done with 95% completed. So, yeah. Okay, let's see the image. Oh, I see. It's quite sim. Okay, here is a domain and the caption. Amazing. Okay, trusted wedding plus members. Amazing. I just loved it. I can download it later on. But see the image quality. See the image. Amazing, man. Amazing. But see the efforts that they. Oh my God, it's just a very good logo that they have used so far. And I just loved it. And see, there is no such any mistakes on any spelling and the size ratios. Um, oh my God, I just loved it. See, yep, some errors can be. See, we guys are using some free tools, so yep, it's fine. Uh, let's see for the profile sections as well. I can download it later on, but I just wanted to test trial it, and I can download it later on, and I will choose this. And I will. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, it's not bad. I'm smiling so frequently. Cool. I just love this one. I just love this one as well. Mm-hmm. So let me know your thoughts in the comment below. How would like I would like to see how you guys are using this exact tool, and leave your comment in the comment box. And if you guys really wanted to get started with this tool and use this and just start making money,